Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create sets and different types of set creation. Here, I'm having my first set being declared using set function. So when I'm having this set function to be assigned to a set variable, it means that I am defining an empty set. So whenever we want to define an empty set, we are going to use the set function. Then I'm having another set being created. It is called numbers, and this set is having 4 elements: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, I'm having my third set being declared here, and it has 3 elements: 1 integer, 1 float, and 1 string. As we see, there is no problem if there are elements of different types, of different data types, let's say. And finally, I'm here printing out these 3 created sets where I'm showing the message empty set, set of numbers, and mixed data set. And I'm calling their name. So I'm putting the name of my sets, so it is going to print them. When I run this code, I expect to see the sets here in the terminal, the values of the set. So the empty set is returning only this for us. So it says it's an empty set, so nothing to be shown there. And for the set of numbers that we are printing the message here, it is printing numbers variable, which is a set here declared, and its elements are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we see them in here. And finally, here I'm having mixed data set, which is calling this mixed set, and it contains 3 elements: 1, hello, and 3.14. So in this video, we learned how to create and print elements of a set. Thank you for watching.